Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Utah up against the Wasatch Mountains. I got me some roses. It's my birthday coming up and Mother's Day and our 20th. I mean, I could add all of those, but I might as well wait on the 20th. I'm going to show you each of these roses. I got them from a friend, Terry, in the Rose Society. She got a whole bunch of bulk roses for a really good price, and I was able to pick up quite a few. And you should see how many more she has. So, I'm excited. Come along. I'll show you these one by one. So these little roses came from Bloomables, and they are very fragrant. I think every one of them says I'm fragrant. So this one's called Moonlight Romantica, light yellow flowers. This one is Bolero. This one is tropical fragrance. What does this one say? Extremely fragrant. This purple foliage is delish. Just says fragrant. Doesn't say what type of smell it has. We've got top cream, a pear fragrance. Oh, that's exciting. And this one is called Parfuma Summer Romance. I got the Parfuma Bliss last year for the first time. Scentables. Do they all say Scentables? Scentables. I'm fragrant. I'm fragrant. Okay, and this one back here is called Raspberry Cupcake. And she had me smell the one at her house. Oh, it was so gorgeous. So I got 3 pink ones that are very similar in color. So I'm going to separate them around my yard. A light cream with some blush tones, a really pretty white. A lot of people have Bolero. If you have any of these roses, can you give me a comment on what you love about them? They're all new to me, so I haven't even researched how big they get. I just didn't want any climbers right now. So this one right here says zones 5 to 9. It'll get up to 6 feet. So I'm going to look at all of the heights first before I put them around my yard. And this one says Raspberry Cupcake. I got 2 David Austins. This one says Munstead Wood. And she did tell me because of all the plastic. So I'm going to cut this plastic away really good. And see, we're in a dry state, so this should go away pretty fast. All the spots on there. And then the other one was Basketball. However you say that. Basketball. So excited. Let's walk around my front yard and see possible spots that these can go. Like I said, I haven't even researched their sizes yet, so I probably won't get them in today. I'll probably get them in on Monday, which is my birthday. And I have several spots they can go, and I've had 2 roses die this last winter. One got lots of wind, it's kind of cold out here. One that's right in front of me, I think it was a zone 7 rose, so it was a risk anyway. We're not zone 7. And then one in the backyard that I took from someone else's yard, and it just didn't transplant well, so that one died. So I have 2 spots, 2 roses I need to take out, and then I'll show you some possible spots, so come along. If I have any of the smaller type roses, I might have room in this bed. I do have some new roses that I got this last year, so there might not be any room in there. This section right here, I could possibly put a rose right there. That would be pretty. So this bed is only a couple years old, so I might be able to find some space in there. I do have quite a bit of roses. I have some roses that came from my mom's house. I have some new clearance roses that are in there. Some little lime hydrangeas. Like this section right here. We could put them all right here. Look at that. We got lots of open space right here. Mostly just perennials are in here that are easy to move around. I have a good section of asters that kind of take over, but they're beautiful. I have this bed that we could possibly throw some roses in. We got some holes. That one didn't look like it made it. Look at this rose. We're going to give it a little bit more time. Look at that. Flowering almond. Isn't she beautiful? She's in her glory right now. I need to do lots of weeding. I have some hardy hibiscus that I don't want to cut. I don't want to dig up the hardy hibiscus. So this is what I was talking about. This was a zone 7 rose, and it just did not like our winter at all. I leave my hardy hibiscus growth there a little bit so that I don't accidentally dig right there, and that's a summer carnival hibiscus. I do not want to dig there. Here's some new peonies that I put in this bed, and this one's Elganza Happy Day. Someone was telling me that it blooms yellow and that this is false advertising. Not happy about that. I love yellow, but that's frustrating. And look at this one. This is frustrating too. This was a clearance rose, State of Grace. Look how much died. I gotta cut a lot of that dead out. And then a lot of these spots I like for dahlias too, so maybe I will plant my dahlias at the same time as I put these roses in, and then the roses will be permanent, the dahlias will come back out. Then this is my last bed over here. I could put some stuff. This corner needs a lot of help as far as pulling weeds out. This is, I think it's, oh, we got a little bit of, oh, I thought I killed that. So we have some space in the middle where I've had so many iris this last year, but I can take and put roses and peonies in the middle of all this and move. Iris are easy to move. I could even put a rose here if I want, but I don't know if I will because it might be too pokey as kids are coming through. And then I do have, this needs a lot of help. Everything needs help, right? I don't think I want to put roses out here because I don't want to water as much in the median strip. So we got some options. Let me go research those roses. So I'm going to research these roses and their colors and their heights and all the stuff to get me really excited. And then I think tomorrow's Sunday, so I don't garden on Sunday, but I'm going to come back out on Monday, and that's my birthday, and plant these with some dahlias. That sounds like an awesome birthday to me. It better be beautiful. It's always beautiful on my birthday, always. And I am lucky ducky because of that. But I think I'll put all these roses and the dahlias that I have inside, and I will have so much fun, and I'll bring you along. So stay tuned for that video. See you later. Bye.